Hey, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit black filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter.
That's good.
So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.20. Contrast to +7. Highlights to -19. Shadows to -48. Whites to -5. Blacks to -7. And done. Next go to curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Temp to +14. Tint to -5. Adjust vibrance to -45. Saturation to -21. And then go to color mix. First go to red. Hue to -16. Adjust saturation to +100. Luminance to -13. Next go to orange. Hue to -7. Saturation to +47. And luminance to +4. Go to yellow. Hue to -13. Saturation to -87.
That's good.
And luminance to -16. Next go to green. Hue to +2. Saturation to -49. Luminance to -20. Go to light blue. Hue to +9. Saturation to -62. Luminance to -20. Next go to dark blue. Hue to +18. Adjust saturation to +16. And luminance to +18. Next go to purple. Hue to -9. And done. Next go to split toning. Shadows, H to 38, and S to 3. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.